मेरा फोन दे। अरे रुक यार। ठीक है बात कर भी। इधर क्या है? और 6 चैप्टर लास्ट चैप्टर बोलो पूरे चुप। एक चैप्टर लाइक कोड्स में। हां तुमको कितने? बहुत। एक मिनट वही ना बिकॉज़ दिखेगा ना ये मेरा 2 मिनट मोबाइल चेक करने का कौन से नंबर डालो हां कौन से हो गया अरे भाई ये अरे इनकॉग्निटिव अरे बंद कर दूंगा जाएगा पीरियड बता दे स्टाफ है लोकल जो वो ऑलरेडी ना देखो सही इसका मतलब और बहुत इधर गिर गया बॉल में तो दे दी इतना भी कम कर सकते हां ये तो ऐसे बाहर ही नहीं है सब बॉडी है गाली दे रहे थे क्या ये ना गाली दे रहा है अरे वो कालो मैंने अबे यार just let me adore you नो कोई बात है ब्रो adore you जोड़ रहा है ए तेरा बेल पैन गिरा के चला गया बंदा तेरी पहले से क्या घंटे डाल रहे थे तारा ना बोला क्या तेरे को तेरी पहले से कितने घंटे किया 6 घंटे Alex तो तेरी क्या नहीं 8 घंटे क्या क्या बॉलीवुड एक तुमने बनाई है 4% ऑलमोस्ट ए अभी एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर्स है कैसे ये कोटू एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर्स है क्या देख लेक्चर्स एक्स्ट्रा संडे को है कौन से टाइमिंग नेक्स्ट टाइमिंग वही 12:30 ये साइड कर दे क्या अबे 3 घंटे के भी लेक्चर हो सकते हैं वही ठीक है चलो ए शाम मैसेज देखा था हां उसमें उन्होंने बोला था 3 घंटे के लेक्चर भी हो सकते हैं 3 घंटे के उन्होंने बोला था मे भी या तो एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस आएंगे 2 घंटे के संडे को या तो कभी कभी तो 3 घंटे के लेक्चर्स होंगे समझ नहीं ना यार मुझे क्या पता उनको पता संडे के ये संडे इस संडे बदला डिलीट टास्क 2 घंटा बायोलॉजी पढ़ना पड़ेगा जैसे 7 8 9 you fucking idiot just do it लाइव चालू है आज तू कैसे देखता है तो ओ बाद में वो कैसा है नहीं सर काका इज डोप चैनल डोप है कोई शो पर ओए मेरा नाम कोई को अटेंडेंस मेरे को दिया नहीं आपके पास काका तो मुझे दे रिस्पॉन्स How was that? कहीं पे हार गई वही ना 2 रन 2 बॉल अच्छा नहीं खेली अरे रफीक को बिना लिमिट दिया रन लाने के साथ जीत तो पड़ा वही माइनस है लास्ट में क्या पिज्जा मारा ओहो यार 6
You asked me 5 minutes. That is that noise. क्या आ जाओ? Reduce the volume. How much you guys are talking? From next time onwards, this 5 minutes I will not allow. Yeah.
Sir, geography homework.
Those who have not done can be checking out right now. How many have not done? इसको क्या हो गया? ये ऐसा क्या पहन के खड़ा? But hey, come on. Homework I will keep checking because you put me out for 5 minutes. Students, teachers को बाहर निकलता है उल्टा हो गया.
Sir, happy teachers.
हाँ, thank you. Sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
God bless you to everyone. Hey guys, मैं करता हूँ. Did I start with denudation?
No, sir.
What's the name? Run? Disability?
Yes.
You are joining for the second term.
सर सेम क्लास में इन लोग थे मेरे नहीं इन लोग थे
अच्छा ठीक है अच्छे लोग हैं पर पढ़ाई से जरा बहुत ज्यादा ही अच्छा है okay, denudation did I start and give notes on that come on write down denudation in your notes अभी जो 5 मिनट तुम लोग ने मुझे छीना आज देखो अभी क्या write down I had completed the weathering.
नो सर
No, sir. बस
केमिकल वेदरिंग
नहीं सर, बस physical weathering हुआ था.
And देखो the bacha who is coming for the first time he is also saying I am completed. How much he chemical weathering. Sorry sir. So write down chemical weathering.
Sir, you were skipping it.
No, I am not skipping. I forgot.
No.
Why should I skip it? Write down under chemical weathering. Don't waste the time.
Too lengthy.
You have to lock your mouth now. Shall I?
No, sir.
Under this weathering,
So one. Sir, one second.
under this, you have to write.
Sir, one second.
Under this weathering, 1 second care. हो गया.
Paper clear.
Notebook don't have. अच्छा उसको you get the supplements man. ठीक है अभी लिख. Under this weathering, the process involves changes in chemical composition of the rocks. Changes in the chemical composition of rocks. Changes in chemical composition of rocks. One more point.
Yes, sir.
It leads to that is chemical weathering, huh? It leads to decay, DECAY, or alteration of rocks, decay or alteration of rocks by water, oxygen, or organic acids. Water, oxygen, or organic acids.
Sir, organic acid का example.
Oxidation है ना उधर है ना अभी आएगा. Chemical weathering. You write short. CHEM डालो chemical. Next point. And W डाल देना. Weathering is further listed into oxidation. It's further listed into oxidation. Remember last time we have told
ऑक्सीडेशन हाइड्रेशन
Carbonation.
कार्बोनेशन
second is carbonation. Second is carbonation.
Solution.
Third is hydration.
Fourth is solution.
Okay. Hydration. Can I briefly explain all these 4 on that day?
Yes.
No.
Sir, you just explained oxidation.
Yes.
ठीक है अभी वही लिखो अभी आज explanation कम है तुम्हारे लिए because you guys are not listening to me at all. listening but not listening. Write down oxidation. Acha, theek hai, I explain that. Since Atharva is also there and my Sita bhi hai.
Sir, cheating है.
देखो, when I use
reaction with oxygen.
when I use the word chemical weathering, I said it is unlike biological weathering, where only the physical changes. Here, I said that word chemical changes. I see all my students are present here. I'll say only mentally. No sir, only physically. And mentally, रुको अभी 2 मिनट. हाँ, मम्मी ने डिनर बनाया कि नहीं, कुछ बोलती तो है नहीं, है ना? Where the mind is wandering. So when I use the word chemically, I am trying to get into your brain. Is it possible? Not possible. It's possible. In fact, they say eyes are the better reflection of your brain. तुरंत बच्चा बोलता है अभी बोल क्या बोलेगा, है ना?
देखते तो पिक्चर याद है.
हाँ, its science have proved. You look at any object, forget about human being. Even 19 seconds, not even half a minute, you get attracted to that particular object. 19 seconds. तो तुरंत हमारा बच्चा बोलता है माँ और डैड को मैं कब से देख रहा है, कोई भी अट्रैक्शन नहीं है ना? और हर रोज सुबह इसी को टीचर को भी देखते हैं, है ना? लुक हाउ द बच्चा इज कोरिलेटिंग. मैंने बोला नहीं नहीं ये सच है. सच तो तुम्हारे लिए होगा, हमारे लिए तो ऐसे कुछ अट्रैक्शन आया नहीं है ना? क्यों नहीं आया? बिकॉज एवरी टाइम दे शाउट लाइक अ गॉन्ग इन योर ईयर. द ओनली थिंग दैट यू डोंट लाइक, द ओनली थिंग दे वांट यू टू डू. Many things you like, nothing they want you to do. Sad part of the history. So we always believe, as he was trying to say, chemical reaction means it is the internal composition of the rocks. Now for that, the first one is oxidation. Do you think even the oxygen has some influence over the chemical? Yes. In fact, सबसे ज़्यादा अगर कोई substance intake करता है, they say it is the substance called carbon. Carbon. Oxygen तो बाद में है. There is a method in geography as well as in biology they use it. It is called as carbon 14 dating. ये क्या है? After that,
carbon 12 का पता है वो chemistry.
14 का ही है. I have done it this. So normally after the death of a tree, you can find how old it was.
By the
Even the stone, the scientists as well as the geographers have come up with this method. So the first thing where it is leading to the change in the chemical constituent is oxygen. Second is carbon. And third, it is the water. If you remember when you have written that word decay. What is decay stands for? It is the hydration only. Either it absorbs the water or it allows the water to pass through. What is that word in geography we use it? What is that word? We use the word permeability. Who can tell me the meaning of the word permeability? Stand up. Try explaining.
I don't know the meaning of it.
Try, I say. Wait. Look how hilarious she is looking at me. She was the first person to say, Bagu, Bagu. Yes, Atharva? I can't expect him. He's a new person. Yes.
Sir, Sharon.
अरे एक मिनट कॉमर्स वाला टैग क्या हो गया? yes. मतलब अभी दरवाजे के बाहर से ढूंढेगा.
The ability to pass things through it.
ठीक है.
अंदर से पास करने वाली
क्या अंदर से पास करे?
Any substance can penetrate through it.
Any substance.
Water connection, liquids, like
You understood what these guys have told?
Water.
Water.
Because it's fluid below water and in and out below.
It's simply to tell permeability of the rocks. It is the allowing of the water to seep through. ये word क्यों नहीं यूज किया? मैंने पहले भी explain किया. Permeability and non-permeability. which allows the water to seep or pass through. So the action of the water. And what is the word solution?
Mix.
Where acids may be there, bases may be there, but it is all mixed in water. Normally, you might have seen a rock which we call it as mushroom rock, but that is not the action of the water, but that is the action of the wind. Strong tidy winds can eat the rocks in different shape, and you will see the rock more like a mushroom. Correct? So look, the rocks are also eaten by the winds. So solutions are a mixture of many elements which might lead to which weathering? Chemical. So we have first oxidation, carbonation, hydration, and solution. One student, I need to explain one heading. So the first heading she will explain, second heading he will explain, third heading he will explain, and fourth heading Athar. Chalo, look into the book. Seriously, I am not putting you into any strain. अथर्व भी बोलेगा. सुना ना? ठीक है, आज अथर्व के लिए टीचर्स डे. है ना? So we have our swimmer today. He will take the fourth.
सर मेरे से पूछ रहे हैं विचार क्या है?
हाँ, she's getting ready. Good girl.
वाली किधर है? अरे उसमें सब पढ़ना है, सिंगड़ी भी बोलना है.
बोलना नहीं, पूछना है.
इन दोनों का कैरेक्टर एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट. Who is Tom and who is Jerry? Who is Tom and Jerry?
जेरी तो ये है.
She is Tom. But Tom का भी थोड़ा सा दिमाग होता है, मैंने देखा है. चलिए, write down. You guys might take my time.
सर कार्बोनेशन का.
नहीं, you write down. That's better.
पेज नंबर बोलो एक
Very good. मैं अभी नोट्स देने जा रहा है और अभी पेज नंबर. Write down oxidation. Reaction of minerals. I'm going very slow. Reaction of minerals present in the atmosphere.
क्या?
I'm going very slow. फिर से बोलूं? Reaction of minerals present in the rocks. Reaction of minerals present in the rocks. जैसे कि बहुत बड़ा क्लियर. हाँ, दिखता ही है. तुम्हारा दिमाग का तो प्रदर्शन होता है. Reacting to the atmospheric oxygen.
Reacting
to the atmospheric oxygen. It leads to, second point, oxygen. Oxidation में क्या आएगा? It leads to ion compounds, formation of ion compounds.
फॉर्मेशन.
हाँ, वो मैंने
अच्छा, leads to.
formation of ion compounds hyphen rusting or crumbling of rocks is commonly observed. Iron.
अबे लोहा.
No. He is correct. That, when I pronounce that word, I'll be saying ion. This is iron. You understood my pronunciation? Thanks. कल ही मैंने brush up करके. Now when I was dictating notes to my 10th ICSE, I was saying them flash. He was asking me क्या बोला sir? I said flower. Very good. ऐसा है? हाँ, you should learn the pronunciation. So let's repeat that word. What did I say?
iron.
What is the spelling?
IRON.
पक्का? And ION.
केमिस्ट्री.
वो बेचारा है ना, वो खुद भी कुछ ना कुछ कंफ्यूज होता है और फिर हाँ सर ठीक है. It's ion. ION. This is iron. Simple as. The sounding of the words will make the pronunciation different. आगे जाके मैं ये भी सीखा था. Thank you. Write down.
Rusting or with it.
Rusting of iron. और क्या बोला?
क्रम्बलिंग.
Leads to the crumbling and rusting of the rocks with red, yellow, or brown in color. With red, yellow, or brown in color. Red, yellow, or brown in color. The next heading, carbonation. Hey, please, while writing only concentrate and don't get confused. Because these are very important. They'll ask you. If you want, I am ready to explain again. Carbonation. Carbonation. Action of carbon dioxide in the presence of water. I'll go slow. Don't say Azu. Action of the carbon dioxide in the presence of water is known as carbonation. Is known as AS, carbonation. It dissolves. It dissolves.
Second point. So they are giving me points. I'm writing paragraph.
Good.
He can.
He is also joining the No Brain Club sometimes. कौन है club में? मुझे तो लग रहा है you are the founder of the club.
सर ये
वो बीच में गायब हो जाती है.
Sir, everyone has written in paragraph.
No. Who is that everyone? Show anyone who is writing in points to him. ये देखो. No Brain Club. हाँ ठीक है, एक notebook दो. I will write it in points. नहीं चाहिए. Write down. What did I say?
डूब जाता है.
क्या?
Dissolves.
ऐसा बोलना था जोर से.
Dissolves.
पूरा link ही टूट गया. I was explaining oxidation. It dissolves the most calcium rocks or calcareous है. आप लोग calcium rocks ले. Yeah, before you continue, you remember I was showing you on that day underground caves.
Yes, sir.
What is that? It was. What I was explaining.
Icicles.
These are stalagmites.
Yes, sir. Sir, rock chapter में पढ़ा है sir.
And these are stalactites.
Yes, sir. ये भी पढ़ा है rock chapter में.
And these are pillars. I gave the example of a country called Malaysia,
Yes.
where they have the biggest cave called Batu Caves. Batu Cave, the name of the place. It's a wonderful place. You must go there on your own expense. So when you go there,
Sri Lanka poor country.
श्रीलंका भी मत जाओ. मालूम पड़ा जो पॉकेट में है उसके साथ सब लूट लेगा. It's like that. If you watch that, what is the match going on nowadays? Asia Cup, na? Match is to be held in Colombo, Sri Lanka, but they are doing it in Sharjah, Dubai, because of the problem. In between, they show the postcards of Colombo. Sri Lankan economy का क्या करेगा? Please visit. तो तुरंत बच्चा बोलते मैच तो दुबई में चल रहा है, फिर क्या मैं कोलंबो में जाएगा? बराबर है ना? हाँ, waste of money. So we say this is the calcium carbonate rocks. These water which moves through these caves eat away this element, but they eat away in such a way it becomes a very pictographic location. That's what I'm trying to say. Normally, whatever caves have been founded by the geographical people, they do the survey at least for the next 2 to 5 years. What is the strength? How much it is leaking? Then only they will allow the people to go in. It's like which country it is?
Malaysia.
Japan, is it?
Japan.
19 players of the football team. They got stuck in. That's a beautiful movie. The movie has Indonesia. Indonesia. Wait, I'll show the movie. I've seen the movie. In that, they have shown they go into such kind of a cave where continuous rainfall takes place, and all the 18 with the coaches get stuck in. It almost takes 15 days. मैं बताता हूँ. अरे रुकना है भाई तू भी. नीचे कुछ हॉट पैन रखा है. नहीं I need to get up and check it. Or some NASA rockets are always pumping up. That's a good energy. I can understand. But energy either use no. So these kind of caves are normally the pictographic location of this water. And normally takes place in which rocks? Calcium. If it is other rocks, it is unable to eat them. Correct? So that is what I am trying to explain here. Chalo. Right.
It dissolves the
Calcium rocks hyphen gypsum, marble and limestone. Gypsum, marble and limestone. Once I should imitate this girl's experience. I complete the sentence, she'll come back. Sir, kya bola? You have a glass of water with you, everyone. थोड़ा सा मेरे पास दे देना. अभी थोड़ा सा hiccups आ रहे भाई साहब. Pani will not be in your mouth. It will be all over your head. Reduce it. निकल गया क्या विषय? नहीं ना, हाँ वही.
Unstable.
नहीं, मम्मी ने प्रेशर कुकर उधर रखा और विषय इधर पड़.
जब टीचर्स लिखते हैं ऐसे डांस करता है.
Yes sir. You were writing, sir. He was doing like this. Yes sir.
ऐसा किया.
I'll watch the video recording then if I get it.
So video is there.
एक मिनट. If I get it, then what shall I do with it?
For next lecture.
नहीं, did you do it or not? Why?
Satisfaction.
ठीक है. Next time don't do. Okay? Good
So
boy.
next class के बाद.
ऐसा सब नहीं करूँगा. I have unique punishments.
Mummy, papa.
इसके I love वाला सर.
Right on. Gypsum, marble and limestone. Next one. Next point. This kind of action hyphen carbonation, rainwater converts calcium carbonate into calcium bicarbonate. ये सब केमिस्ट्री में किया रहेगा ना? Converts calcium carbonate into calcium bicarbonate. Hyphen.
Sorry, एक सेकंड.
हाँ ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ हाइफन ही बोला है. Calcium carbonate into calcium bicarbonate hyphen easily soluble in water. मतलब जब bicarbonate बन जाता है, correct? Easily soluble in water, so taken away by the groundwater. Please taken away by the groundwater. Please read carbonation and then tell me if I get. नहीं आज videos वगैरह कुछ नहीं हमने उछता है.
Taken away by the
groundwater. Put the heading hydration and then wait for me. नहीं चुप जाओ लिखो अभी. Water single word.
माउस आपके पास है.
क्या?
माउस आपके पास है.
ठीक है, तुम लिखो और learn करो. Just read through carbonation and you have any query in understanding, any difficulty in understanding.
Sir, book से कि volume से?
मैंने जो दिया है दूसरा है.
कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट बनने के बाद पाउडर फॉर्म में
नहीं हाँ देखो at least I'm not a chemistry teacher by the time. देखो when it is in the form of CaCO3.
Calcium carbonate.
हाँ, and what is CaCO3 will remove? It will remove some elements of the carbonate which becomes a bicarbonate. Bicarbonate मतलब क्या है? उसका byproduct बनाता है. Are you understanding? अभी for example how would I explain?
दो कार्बन के
हाँ, it makes that valency electrons looser. You understand what is valency?
Yes.
So once that valency electrons become loose, it's easy for the groundwater to take it away. वरना उसका जो composition कैसा रहेगा ऐसा रहेगा. Then I'm saying it is calcium carbonate, bicarbonate, more bicarbonate. Water will pass through. Once you allow the water to pass through, it will eat away the element. समझा? So that is carbonate and bicarbonate. Hey, I have given the time to read. Don't waste the time. Why is he on the timing now? Go home and do the dinner work award. खाना बनाने जाना है? हाँ मैं करता हूँ.
पहले वो
हाँ? Wait. Hey, you want that? In fact, I told them. I didn't tell them. Just a minute. Huh? Just I'll get that name right now. है मैं ऐसा अजीब अजीब मूवी ही देखता हूँ जिसमें पूरा रिलेटेड टू ज्योग्राफी एंड हिस्ट्री रहता है.
So because you are geography and history teacher,
So what?
you want to boost your knowledge.
Thank you. देखो मेरा बच्चा मेरे बारे में क्या अच्छा बात बोल रहा है. Hey, give me 2-3 minutes. I'll get that movie. Because वो मैंने 2-3 दिन पूरा seriously बैठ के देखा. Normally I watch a movie in 1 or 2 months, one movie. But वो movie मैंने कभी कभी तो 3 महीने देखा है. नींद आ जाता है मूवी देखते देखते हुई. You guys are quite smart. Animation नहीं है मूवी का नाम है. नहीं that is only in the OTT. That's why wait. क्या OTT? Movie on.
Sir, it is a movie based on the incident or?
No, it is based on the incident close to the reality. Movie on क्या लिखने का? इंडोनेशिया नहीं है कुछ भी बोलते थे. रुक जा.
मैंने बोला
Cave escape. Cave rescue. I'd shown you that movie. Thailand का है. This is the one. You can watch the trailer. It is on. Hey guys, this is the one. Yeah, you watch it here. I don't want to disturb that. Just be quiet. You'll understand.
Prime पे on the TV. We don't have Netflix.
We're on the list of recent divers. It's just a tourist catch. It looks easy, but when it's
Better. इधर आ जाओ बच्चा. इधर आ जाओ. हाँ.
very, very dangerous. High water level and the low visibility. Barely shoulder wide, with very strong currents.
जब ये देखेगा ना you'll understand how difficult it was. एक मजा. हाँ एक बंदा. How do you know?
The name of the movie.
Wait.
Can we go out now?
Just a crazy idea. The skill and the rest of us have.
हाँ देखो तो देखा मैं बता देगा तो फिर मजा नहीं आएगा. देखो you should watch it to believe it.
Johnny, okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Just give me a minute.
It was 19.
Nice.
ना मतलब the movie is so close to reality. मुझे तो बीच में लगा कि ये originally लोग ने निकाला but it is cast.
13 या 19?
तो उनको पेपर पर कन्वर्ट करके निकाला जाता है.
13 lives. Name of the movie is 13 lives.
Prime Video पे ना?
Oh yes sir, it is trending.
So what's up there?
अरे
I don't know but
Prime पे.
हाँ जी रहेगा. I don't know. I don't use all that. Write down the next heading. Write down hydration. Hydration.
Q.
Point number 1.
Sir, 1 minute.
ये क्या है? लिख दिया. बच्चे आजकल ईमानदारी से पढ़ रहे हैं. Under this process, Under this process, minerals do expand, coming in contact with rainwater. Minerals do expand on coming in contact with rainwater. Underline this word, minerals expand. Second point.
With rainwater.
Yes. On its expansion, right on. Minerals become heavy, leading to the disintegration. Minerals becoming heavy. I'm so sorry, yawning in front of you. Leading to the disintegration. अब मेरे से पूछो, वो भी तुम्हारे जैसे ही है. Leading to the disintegration. Next.
Next point.
Same heading. So this kind of action brings in the hydration effect.
Dehydration.
Hydration.
Dehydration.
अरे hydration से
एक मिनट रुकना, मैं बोलता हूँ. Brings in लिखा,
Brings in the
हाँ, द मत लिखो तो dehydration लिख देगा. Hydration effect.
yeah.
इधर सबका ब्रेन था ना overcharged. Brings in
Hydration.
hydration effect. leading to chemical weathering. Solution, the last one. Anyways, our economic student, आज किधर गया? तन्मय ना? तनिष किधर है?
सब घूमते हुए जाते हैं.
He is not regular in my lectures nowadays. Economics में जैसे गिरते पड़ते आ जाता है. But why not in geography lectures? But you both are in the same school, na? Today you were there.
No, actually, sir, आज छुट्टी था.
क्यों? टीचर डे का?
नहीं, गणेश फेस्टिवल करेगा ना. There are some schools which have given allowance. ठीक है, right on. Solution. It is the process in which minerals in the rocks. She is also commenting. अभी आता हूँ कान के चीज़. Minerals in the rock. How innocently she get dissolved in the water. ओए, तुझे लिखो. Get dissolved in the water. Second point, same heading. I'm looking at the book. I'm not looking. क्या है तेरे technical issue है क्या तुझे?
Sir, mentally some verbal idea.
I told him last class.
Do you have?
But then your mouth has to be not like that. There will be a different mechanism. Shall I tell? पक्का? अरे पूछ ले क्या है?
So this is the proof humans are evolved from monkeys.
तो बोल क्या दिया बेचारा टेल नहीं है बाकी सब काम करेगा. शायद वो भी घर पे रखा रहेगा उधर देख. What happened? Behave in a normal way. क्या हो जाता है तुझे? Only in my lecture and other lectures also. How does the teacher then accept you?
Sir, ignored.
Ignored.
Sir, not during lectures. When free period. No, sir.
Free period.
So he gets wild.
Free period मतलब कभी घर के जाने के बाद?
नहीं सर, बीच में स्कूल में टीचर नहीं प्रॉक्सी.
बट मुझे लगता है कि ये बिहेवियर अच्छा है बट क्लासरूम के अंदर नहीं चाहिए. अभी मैं बोला है तो देखता हूँ. And I can come hard at you. Shall I? Hopefully you understand the words.
After that.
These rocks then are subjected to.
Market this.
Oh, no. Nice, excellent word. These rocks are then subjected to.
Mutual fund.
Mutual fund सही है.
क्या बोला मैंने?
After subject.
I can see anybody, not you, like this. This is the last second and the minute you have to stop it right now.
The subjected.
Nah, he is allowing me to come at him. What did I say? Subjected to solution. वही same heading ही है. Solution which takes place. Affecting the mineral composition, which takes place affecting the minerals, ना जो rocks के अंदर है, and its structure, composition. ये मैं थोड़ा explain करता हूँ. And its structure. Example: porous sedimentary rocks. Porous, you know the spelling?
Yes.
Porous. Porous sedimentary rocks allows air and water. Porous sedimentary rocks allows air and water to pass through. Allows air and water to pass through. Thereby, thereby, solution is formed leading to disintegration. Solution is formed leading to disintegration. Okay, now what we are going to do, this difference between, I'll give it in a very simplest format. ये थोड़ा difficult लग रहा है मुझे. देखो, when that word solution is there, unless and until the rocks are not, you remember, permeable. It not only dissolves the rocks with its minerals, but it also expands the minerals. Expand होगा तो क्या होगा? The minerals become denser. If the minerals become denser, can the rocks can hold it? अभी एक 5 kg का rock था, जिसके अंदर only 2.5 minerals था, 2.5 पूरा rocks. But due to this solution, the 2.5 rock kg minerals have become 4.5. तो अभी actual rock का कितना weight रहेगा?
9.5.
Sure. So that 4.5 minerals might become denser, expands, leads to the disintegration of rocks, forming a solution. Is it okay? Now put the heading: distinguish between physical and chemical weathering. Check is that is okay. I will not give you. If not, I can give you in a one sentence each. Exactly ऐसे लिख लो. है ना volume है ना क्या? ऐसे लिखना दोस्त. Physical and mechanical weathering. Physical and chemical weathering. You do not have the volume. Whose volume is this? अच्छा उसको दिखा वरना इधर आ जाओ ना तुम. बैठो. I am giving it. Only write the heading. I am giving it. Yes, ma'am. अभी ये देते check. How many have not done out of the slot? That should be very clear. How many questions did I give? 2 only, na?
Sir, 5.
4.
4.
4. 1, 3, 4, 5.
I think it's my own red pen only. Very confusing. Keep aside your book while I'm. नहीं किया तो तुरंत डाउट आ अरे लेट मी गिव द आंसर आई चेक लेटर मैन हाँ इधर ही है ना मैं कर लेता हूँ पॉइंट नंबर 1 अंडर फिजिकल वेदरिंग
One second.
So you're gonna give physical.
I'm going.
Chemical or
I'm going to give equivalent points, physical and chemical equivalent. It takes place without any change in chemical composition. It takes place
Without any.
change in the chemical composition of rocks. Other side, I'll only say other side and then wait automatically.
Without any change. Without any change.
Because he has solved almost all the questions. But that is different. Ki I can't understand a single word of it. Handwriting is so beautiful. Chemical weathering. It takes place only with. It takes place only with changes in chemical composition. Only with changes in chemical composition. Go slowly. I am going to take it slowly. Second point. Physical. Physics. Correct. It is more rapid in hot, HOT, dry, desert conditions. Other side. Mainly observed in hot and dry air, either moist and cold climates. Mainly observed in moist and cold climates. Samjha? Moist and cold climates. Underline the word dry day, hot, either moist and cold. Third point. Rocks are affected to greater depth.
Rocks are
Affected to a greater depth. Other side. It affects only near the surface of the earth. Near the surface of the earth. Last point. Main agents are temperature, moisture, and frost action. Moisture and frost action. Everyone understand what is frost, is it? And wind also is correct. Along with wind. Strong wind. Other side. Main agents involved are ऑक्सीजन. देखो अभी हम लोग ने केमिकल किया ना, कार्बन एंड ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स, इनऑर्गेनिक नहीं, ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स.
So what is the difference between organic and organic?
देखो the difference is when it is able to solve the substances like Ca and forms bicarbonate. Correct. हाँ, inorganic में वो bicarbonate नहीं बना सकता. Every acid doesn't have the same strength like that. In this chapter we have biological agents or biological.
Human, brain, and all that.
Short में बता दूं what is biological and agents. हाँ.
Human, brain, bird.
क्यों? तेरे पर मम्मी भी भरोसा नहीं करती. तो सीता कैसा बोला?
सर ऐसा क्या करना? सीता करके.
नहीं, you are a fan of her ना. अच्छा ठीक है, राम बोल चलेगा? ठीक है, राम. When I use the word biological weathering, it is normally the burrowing animals. Have you heard of the word burrowing? What do they do?
Burrow.
They burrow. Do you think animals can lead the rocks to disintegrate?
Yes, sir.
How does a rabbit can lead to? Correct. Even big plants you might have seen, the roots might be based on a big block of stone. When the roots try to fiber out or tap out, the rocks also get disintegrated. Nobody can forget the banyan tree in your hometown. What's happened? Sir, Jula. Or kya? Correct. Matlab, whatever we are living in cities, when we get in a hometown or a tribal area, हमारा अंदर का आदिवासी बाहर कूद जाता है ना? देखो इधर ही क्लास में. Did I tell you to control? Sorry नहीं है. I have to today only show. Since it is Teachers' Day for you, I am not doing anything. So we always believe biological weathering is just because of the elements which are living. It might be plants, it might be animals, or the most important, human being. Mobile को इधर लेकर आ, दे इधर. Time देख रहा था. पक्का?
Reels.
ठीक है.
Instagram reels.
मैं भी देखता हूँ. Time क्या है उसमें? Bad time है क्या good time?
Time उधर दिखता है चलो.
So we always believe under biological weathering, human being is the single largest factor. When I say the construction of a building, which is a little bit of a tall building, the foundation also goes deep. When he's digging the foundation, he has to blast the rocks. It is not only the construction, but you might have seen mining activities. Correct? The coal mining, the rocks. 10th ICSE, I was saying the place in Andhra Pradesh called Kadappa. And about? It is a rock based on which it got its name, Kadappa rock. Earthquakes. So there are so many other things which leads to earthquakes. Biological में कैसे आए? Biological में भी नहीं, किसी में भी नहीं आए. But earthquakes is not a part of weathering. Leave it.
अच्छा weathering.
ये बीच में ना इसका ना collapse of the brain आता है. So biological weathering, please read it. I'll give it in 2 lines, then we can check out. Almost time. I have checked these notebook volume. Where's my thing? इधर है बता. कुछ notes लिख के दूँ तेरे लिए. और कुछ लिखता हूँ ना. अरे ले ले भाई. अरे इतना भी क्या करना है? Wait, I'm coming now, one by one. जल्दी. फिर assignment कैसे किया? I need to put it. ये क्या है? What is it? इसको तो साथ. Oh, you didn't do it. So skeleton.
You can do like this and then skeleton will crack.
तो एक काम करो. This and this person.
सर मैं अभी घर जाके फोटो भेजूं?
इसको मुझे इंटरेस्ट नहीं. You have to write both 2 times each.
In the note.
सबको क्या किसी ने लिखा है?
अभी लिखने का.
बस जिंदगी भर लिखकर अपना बन जाएगा.
I create to weathering person.
He is exempted since he is new. You just wait. ये इन लोगों को मैं होमवर्क देता ही नहीं है और देगा तो भी आज से लोग ऐसा. क्यों नहीं किया रे?
Sir, complete.
क्यों नहीं किया वो बता.
मेरे सारे
How about you? At least you are a.
Sir, I do it every time. I forget this time.
No, that is this time. Why this time?
Sir, I forgot.
Sir, don't
What was the
like
next
it.
time?
Sir, next time you are listening now.
Sir, आज से class में 2 times. So except this person and who else? This person. The entire class is a naughty. पक्का. तो और एक बार डाल दें. She's so eager to write. Write on biological weathering in your notebook. Come on, quick. I'm giving notes. 35 को खत्म होता है. मुझे 5 मिनट के लिए बाहर भेज सकते हैं.
5 मिनट नहीं रुक सकते.
चुपचाप है. Biological weathering refers to. I'm totally tired of you to be here.
It refers to.
Biological weathering refers to the actions of. What is he doing?
It's like hitting.
Leading to
It refers to.
the action
of living organisms hyphen plants and trees along with burrowing animals. Careful with the word burrowing. I'm writing it on the board for your convenience. Burrowing animals. This is the word. Don't write boring animals. नहीं ये सब मिस्टेक्स मैंने देखा है पेपर में. क्या बोरो किया सर आपने ही बोला था. animals. Next point. Actions of humans during construction. During construction, comma, mining, or infrastructural projects. Alabama roads, railways, dams, in I know the spelling of this, isn't it?
Take it easy.
But there are some Gandhijis and Nehrujis here, you don't know. Barabar bola na? It's mainly for the Gandhis and the Nehrus of it. Infrastructure. नहीं चाहिए बोला अभी वो so simple है. Infrastructural projects. Solve all the questions of the worksheets. I'll meet you in the next lecture.
Thank you, sir.
You solve that.
Sir, my
Hey, listen. Now get on seriously with geography lectures. I want everybody. If you don't get at least 90 and above percentage in geography, then I'll see what I can do with you all guys. So pack the bags quickly.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, this is very jada.
So you will give party?
Definitely.
Daska.
Tea party without the tea leaves in it.
Sasky fruity blend.
नहीं इनको जरा ब्रेन मिल जाएगा तो दोनों को बांट के देंगे. क्या हो गया टुडे? नॉर्मल है पक्का. मुझे कभी कभी निकालता था. ओए
तेरा मुझसे ज्यादा है.
both are reflection of each other. What's it?